How to install Ppcine app on Android TV. So to be able to install and download the Ppcine app on your Android TV, go ahead and open a browser and search for ppcineapp.org and then visit the website and click on the download button. Download the latest version of the Ppcine APK. Now go to your smart TV settings, then navigate to the security and restrictions or privacy section. You need to ensure your TV is ready for third-party installation, so enable the option to allow installation from unknown sources. Transfer the downloaded Ppcine APK to a USB drive and then plug the USB drive into your smart TV. Open the File Manager app on your TV, navigate to the APK file, and select it to begin the installation. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once the app is installed, you're ready to start streaming. So before you begin, find the Ppcine app in your smart TV's app menu, open the app and grant any required permissions. Now you can browse your desired content and enjoy seamless streaming on your smart TV. And that is how you can basically install the Ppcine app on your Android TV.